going on, guys? Tony here with Big Buildings. Today, we are out here at a 60 by 200 by 20 foot tall. We're gonna go in and take a look. And guys, before we get started on this tour of this awesome building right here, would you guys rather have this $300,000 Lamborghini Huracan or this $300,000 metal building? Comment below and let us know. And walking inside this metal building right here, as you guys can see, first thing noted, ladder trusses, ladder legs. We have hurricane ties throughout the whole entire building. 140-mile-an-hour wind certification. We're right downtown Tampa, Florida, right next to Home Depot. Want to make sure this building's certified for the local permits and what's needed. And at the beginning of the video, guys, we asked you, comment below which one you'd rather have, this Lamborghini or this big metal building. Well, the truth is, if you get this big metal building and you get your business high and profitable, this Lamborghini comes for free. Another awesome thing we did here on this building, we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 14 by 14 commercial grade roll-up doors. We did these on the side. They're gonna have semi-trucks coming in, coming out. The more openings, the more money they're gonna make. Made it really simple and easy as a side entry for them to get the job done. Having those semi-trucks come in and out, you don't want to always have them have to drive in and then back all the way out. So what we did here is we have this garage door right here directly aligned with this garage door right here. You're gonna drive in, load up, and head out. Super fast and efficient for their roofing company. And as you guys can see right here, what they're doing is they've roughed in all the plumbing. They're gonna have a men's and women's bathroom right here. Something that made that possible was getting the as-built engineered plans. The whole building was engineered specifically for this area, for this building. And so that allows them to rough in the plumbing, make sure everything's good to go. We had no hiccups. That was because we did as-built engineering. Walking around the side of the building, you guys can see we have the nice wainscot right here. Quaker gray, sandstone sides. We have all of the trim done in Quaker gray as well. Really makes it pop, looks very nice in the downtown area. You guys come along here, you can see that nice rat ledge right here throughout the whole entire building. Concrete looks great. We did a drip ledge right here, as you guys can see. That way when everything flows down, everything's shooting out of the side of the building. Keeping it nice and dry, very awesome. One thing to mention here is we were talking to the customer. They had some hiccups with concrete, went over budget. This concrete pad right here was $100,000, just to give you guys an idea for your personal budget. Really quickly, just mentioning, guys, as always, every commercial building, vertical sides, vertical ends, 6-inch overhang, and the vertical roof. Everything's flowing off this building. No dust, no debris sticking to it. It's gonna last a lifetime. For customers that opt in for the commercial grade roll-up doors, these are the chain hoists. Showing you guys how smooth and easy these things really do go. No electric needed, super simple and easy. Customers all the time ask about, how do I run electrical in my commercial metal building? Our ladder legs are about as good as it can get when it comes to running electrical. As you guys can see, it runs right in between those ladder legs. Looks super, almost built into the structure, like it was here since the day it was up. A lot of questions about lighting as well. They're gonna run lighting throughout the whole entire truss system up top. It's gonna look like it's just built in. 3 walk-in doors in this 60 by 200. A lot of nice entry and exit points. Instead of having to roll up those garage doors every time, you just open and close. Well, guys and gals, you just saw your first 60 by 200 metal building by Big Buildings. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Comment below after seeing the tour. Would you rather have this metal building right here or this Lamborghini Huracan? This is Tony here with Big Buildings, here to give you guys the information you need so that you get the metal building of your dreams. Really nice. We have the dark gray, oh, let me redo that. Nice tan top. God, what is this color? This building right here is 60 by, God, where the am I going? And while it is a lot of fun to have a Lamborghini, it's also pretty cool to have a big metal building. No?
No, that was good. It's just...
What?
It's funny. You asked me what to say, and then you just didn't say it. I was waiting for you to say it.
What did you say to say?